The UK is a top destination for students looking for a higher education. With so many universities in the UK, finding the right and affordable university for a middle-class family can be overwhelming. That's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'll cover the top 10 cheapest and most affordable universities in the UK, where I'll cover the average tuition fee for both bachelor's and master's. So if you want to know the exact tuition fee for your chosen course, you will have to visit their official website. Before I start today's video, just want you guys to be aware of few things. Number one, university fees will not vary much because in the UK, the government sets what fees universities and colleges can charge through the Higher Education and Research Act 2017. However, the limit may change from year to year. Number two, in the UK, if you opt for any course which involves a lot of lab and workshop work, the fees for that course are high as compared to other classroom courses. So let's take an example of nursing and engineering, which are costlier than MBA courses because MBA courses doesn't need lab or field work. Hey guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. And if you want to connect with me one-to-one to discuss your case, you can do that by using the link provided in my video description and my pinned comment. Also, I'm available on Instagram and my ID is Your Knowledge Buddy. So without any further delay, let's begin with number 10, which is Staffordshire University, which is a public university located in Staffordshire, England. The Guardian ranking is 40. It is famous for its focus on vocational education and its industry connections, mainly in the fields of computing and engineering. The average tuition fee for international undergraduate students is £9,250 per year, while for postgraduate students, it is £16,750 per year. You can also avail scholarship up to £1,000 to £2,000 from Smart Scholarship. Now, before I move to number 9, let's talk about learn new skills through so many online platforms like SkillShare, which is an online learning community with thousands of online classes and members across 150 countries. Some of you may know SkillShare for classes in photography, film and video editing and illustration. But did you know that SkillShare has hundreds of career-focused classes too? Yes, that's right. And hence, this year, you should reinvent your goals and yours me. So that's my reason to use SkillShare. But why should you use SkillShare? So let's talk about some of the SkillShare benefit. Number 1, ad-free, so you can stay focused while learning something. Number 2, new premium classes launched each week, so there's always something new to discover. Number 3, entire catalog is now available with subtitles in Spanish, French, Portuguese and German. Number 4, take class either from your smartphone or your laptop. And number 5, you can explore the SkillShare class library completely free for 1 month. And the most important, the first 1,000 people to use my link will get 1 month free trial of SkillShare. So make sure you join with 1 month free membership and start your learning journey from the comfort of your home. Number 9 on my list is University of Hertfordshire, which is located in Hatfield, Hertfordshire, UK. The Guardian ranking is 103. It is famous for its business, engineering, advertising, management, and computer science programs. The average fees for international undergraduate students are £14,750 per year, while for international postgraduate student, it ranges from £15,450 to £17,950. For example, a bachelor's degree in computer science costs you around £14,750 per year, while a master's degree in business administration costs you around £15,450 per year. And it is also possible to get a scholarship worth around £3,000. Number 8 on my list is University of Chester, which is a public university located in Chester, England. The Guardian ranking is 81 and it is famous for business and management, medicine and health related courses. The average tuition fees is around £13,450 per year for undergraduate courses and £14,250 per year for postgraduate courses. Depending on your course selection, you can also avail for a scholarship of £1,000 to £8,000. Number 7 on my list is University of Bedfordshire, which is a public university located in Luton. The Guardian ranking is 98. It is famous for its expertise in areas such as business, creative arts, health science, and technology related courses. The average tuition fee for undergraduate students is around £14,500 per year, while for postgraduate students, it is around £14,600 per year. Students can avail scholarship up to £4,000 per year. Number 6 on my list is Teesside University, and the Guardian ranking is 68. It is known for its focus on engineering, metallurgy, and chemistry related courses. The average tuition fee for undergraduate students are £12,500 per year, while for postgraduate students it is £14,000 per year. For example, a bachelor's degree in engineering will cost you around £12,750 per year, while a master's degree in the same field will cost you around £14,250 per year. Now, scholarships up to £1,500 are eligible for eligible students. Number 5 on my list is University of Sunderland, which is located in the city of Sunderland in northeast of England, and the Guardian ranking is 100. The university is famous for its strong programs in media, journalism, and film studies, as well as courses in pharmacy, engineering, and business. The average starting tuition fee for undergraduate is £12,000 per year and around £14,000 per year for postgraduate students. One example of the cost for bachelor's degree in journalism is £14,000 and master's degree in journalism is £15,000. Now, international students can avail scholarships and bursaries offered by the university, which range from £1,000 to £3,000. Number 4 on my list is Leeds University, which was formerly known as Leeds Metropolitan University and is a public research university located in Leeds, UK. The Guardian ranking is 109, and the university is well known for its courses in economics, MBA, and media. The average annual tuition fee for undergraduate courses is around £9,250, while for postgraduate courses it is around £14,000. Now, scholarships worth up to £2,000 are available for international students depending on the course you choose. Number 3 on my list is University of Hull, which is located in Hull, which is in East Yorkshire. The Guardian ranking is 53. And it is famous for engineering, politics, business, forensics, geology, and game design. The average tuition fee for undergraduate students are £15,400 per year for arts program and £18,300 for science programs. On the other hand, the average tuition fee for postgraduate students is between £10,000 to £11,550 per year. Your course selection may also qualify you for scholarships up to £1,000 to £3,000. Number 2 on my list is Leeds Trinity University, which is a public university located in Leeds, United Kingdom. The Guardian ranking is 115 and it is famous for journalism, teaching, and psychology related courses. The average tuition fee for undergraduate students is around £12,000 per year, while for postgraduate students it is approx £12,500 per year. The university offers a range of scholarships for international students, up to £2,000 available. Number 1 on my list is Liverpool Hope University, which is a public university located in Liverpool, England. The Guardian ranking is 84. The average tuition fee for students is around £9,250 per year for undergraduate courses and £12,600 per year for postgraduate courses. The university offers a range of scholarships to international students, including the international postgraduate scholarships and the international undergraduate scholarships, which can provide you up to £1,000 to £5,000 in tuition fee reduction. And that concludes my list of the top 10 cheapest universities in the UK for 2023. Here is a summary of what I discussed now, so make sure to take a screenshot so that you can visit the university's page and make your decision today. Remember, I covered average tuition fee and hence you need to check the exact fee for your course that you are selecting. So if you're on tight or small budget but still want to study in the UK, make sure to consider this universities. Thank you for watching and keep learning, and best of luck with your future academic year. Hey, by the way, if you want to know best courses to study in the UK, you can watch it from this link.